Hey guys, today I want to talk about Sam Taylor Fitness. I am starting my own fitness journey. Here are what I learned from Sam Taylor, and I will add in some of my experiences as well. Hope this video can help you in some way on getting fit. The Beginner's Guide to Fitting in Fitness at Work. Tips and tricks for staying on track. The dilemma of finding time to exercise. Fitness is a crucial factor in our lives. But for the people who work long hours, it can be difficult to stay fit on the job. Let's look at some of the fitness solutions that are available to solve this dilemma. Types of exercise equipment. A study by the University of Minnesota found that many workers are opting for equipment like treadmills, weights, and exercise bikes because they are portable and allow them to get in a workout without leaving their desk or cubicle. Exercise hacks. You can also try exercising while you work by taking short breaks so you can stretch your muscles. For example, take a 50-minute break every hour to stand up and walk around your office building for 5 minutes or so. How to fit exercise into your workday. Workers are typically sedentary for 8-10 hours, which can lead to health complications. To combat this, some companies are starting to provide gym or fitness facilities on site. Others are more comfortable with offering desk exercises and desk workouts. These exercises help workers stay active throughout the day and can be done without disturbing coworkers. The key is to find time for exercise, whether it's at lunch break or after work hours. Staying active with desk exercises and activities. The goal of this section is to show the benefits of staying active at your desk and provide some exercises that you can do at your desk. Desk exercises and activities can help us stay healthy and be more productive. If we aren't moving around much during the day, our body will not have a chance to work those muscles. Fitting fitness into your commute and schedule. This section will explore different commuting fitness routines while providing some suggestions on how to make them easier to fit into your day. Once you find a routine that works for you, it's all about consistency. This is the only way to make fitness a habit. You want to lose weight and start feeling great again, but the process has been taking too long. You're not sure if you'll ever reach your goal. You don't have to go at it alone. Losing weight doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. In fact, I have found a weight loss secret to aid you shedding pounds in no time. And the best part is it doesn't require any effort on your part at all. Eliminate those stubborn pounds for good by clicking on the link in the description box below. You'll learn exactly how to get fit really fast while still eating the food that you enjoy. Anyway guys, that's all for this video. That's all I've learned from Sam Taylor for getting fit. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.